In this part of the course, we'll delve into the essential topic of profit and loss analysis in options trading. Our focus will be on understanding the profit and loss analysis graph, a powerful tool that allows traders to visualize potential outcomes of their options strategies. Firstly, we'll introduce the profit and loss analysis graph and discuss its significance in options trading. This graph provides a visual representation of the potential profit or loss of an options position at expiration, based on various factors such as the underlying stock price, time to expiration, and implied volatility. Next, we'll explore how to interpret and analyze the profit and loss graph for different options strategies, including long calls, short-long puts, short puts, and various combinations of these strategies. By understanding the profit and loss graph, traders can assess the risk and reward characteristics of their trades, identify break-even points, and make informed decisions about trade entry, exit, and adjustment. Throughout this part of the course, we'll use real-world examples and practical scenarios to illustrate the concepts discussed. We'll walk through the construction of profit and loss graphs for different options strategies, examine how changes in underlying stock price and other factors impact the graph, and discuss strategies for optimizing risk-adjusted returns. By the end of this part, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use the profit and loss analysis graph to evaluate options trades effectively. You'll be equipped with the knowledge and skills needed to assess the risk and reward of various options strategies and make informed trading decisions in the dynamic options market. So, let's dive into the fascinating world of profit and loss analysis in options trading and uncover the insights and strategies that will empower you to succeed as an options trader.